a piece of my personal embodiment of MERKIS, the Lemurian Codex. So in December the 6th and 7th, 2025, I just was called to write, to type. And I just was typing and typing and typing. The information was flowing through my fingers for 2 days, over 1,000 pages. I don't know who else has ever experienced this. I know many people channel information too. I now understand it's information that I've held within and lived by my entire life and previous lifetimes. So I've always believed in the unseen, that we are here to create miracles, that I don't need the certainty, although sometimes it might be nice. I can take that risk. I can trust without needing to know the how. And it's always been profound and really deeply rooted within me that now, having remembered this information, so we had a Lemuria, then Atlantis, then Mother Earth. MERKIS, Sophia and our dragons were sealed prior to Atlantis coming into form. The masculine Merkaba was allowed to remain. Where to begin on my journey? On the day that all the typing, all the practices were happening through me, when you align with your Vesica, it causes bowel movement. So I was having this whole process of clearing out my bowels, and my landlady was screaming at me on my phone. I was completely detached, so I hadn't read it. Because I hadn't phoned her, she was evicting me. It didn't happen. It was just, how much can you handle while you're busy doing something else? And that's very much our life process, isn't it? How much can we be in chaos, yet be in utter calmness within ourselves? And that is what MERKIS helps you to achieve. Detached from the drama, from the confusion, and not taking on other people's shite in the way that many of us were used to. As empaths, we pick up on that shite and it sticks. It hurts us, it makes us sick, it makes us confused, distrusting. For many of the empathic young souls, it makes them angry. They don't know how to process it, so then they become really screamy, breaking things, fighting. They don't know how to process this information. They know they're picking up on others' struggles, sadness. Learning to recall this information, relearning, will allow you to then apply it to your children, to everybody in your world. Anyone that works with light, with energy, can go on to be a MERKIS facilitator. I have had so many junctures where, when I've been working with the information, that I've been forced into a situation. So even the day that when I was going to launch MERKIS on the 4th of May this year, my computer broke. I spilt coffee on it. And I was just, okay, not today. I will go for a beach walk, go to the cafe, and left her to dry out. Thankfully, she turned on the next day. I then had a subsequent journey where 2 weeks later she wouldn't work, and I was like, I need to get this last piece of information out. The two shops that I went to couldn't get her to turn on. I came home in full trust that she would turn on. And she did for another 2 weeks. Then she decided to go to sleep, which was fair enough. I needed a new tool to play with, and I have one now, which is what I'm talking to you on. Cultivating a divine trust in yourself is what happens when you are activating your Vesica Piscis at each quantum chakra point. Your Merkaba at your heart, your MERKIS arc at your root. A trust in yourself that you never thought was possible. I'm going to continue this video into parts because otherwise it will go on and on and on. You can relearn how to live in the chaos, in the confusion, in utter peace, and I highly recommend it. Namaste.